Okay, so today we're making this drink. It's a beautiful drink. But wait a minute. Hold on a second. Let's go back and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we're gonna go medium low this time. And you're gonna put 3 cups of whole milk in the pan. And a few cinnamon sticks. I did like 3 or 4. Break them up if you can. And you're gonna cook until simmering. And it's gonna have a beautiful cinnamon smell. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Pinch of salt. 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. This was 60% cocoa. You can do a bittersweet blend too. Whisk until dark and creamy. And you're going to strain that into a pourable bowl. Now here's the drink. It's extremely easy. 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. There we go. And all you do is pour the chocolate that's been strained and stir it. And it's the most beautiful taste you ever had. Cinnamony, sweet, chocolatey. And we're going to top it off with some marshmallow fluff on the rim. Put as much as you want on there. And then we're going to put it into a high broil oven until the fluff is nice and brown. Be careful, it's going to be really hot if you put it in your oven, and make sure you're doing an oven safe container. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's all marshmallow on the top. You're going to love this. Your friends are going to love this. The Bourbon Hot Chocolate from Drinking with Steve. Once again, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to make another one. You make it. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you next time on Drinking with Steve.